गोवा संपूर्ण यात्रेचो एक भाग म्हण राज्यपाल पी.एस. श्रीधरन पिल्लैन कुंकळेच्या चिफ्टन मेमोरियलाक भेट दिली। पर्यटकांक गोयची संस्कृताय आनी सैम दाखोवपाक आध्यात्मिक आनी इको ट्युरिझमाक उर्बा मेळपाक जाय, राज्यपालान सांगले।
Our opposition leader and municipal chairman, along with revenue official, I visited here. I'm very happy to see that this is a place of historical importance. So history, of course, should be preserved properly and hand it over to the next generation. And as far as the British people, they were that time Britain was a democratic country, so records properly maintained in many cases. But Portugal is concerned, cruel type of approach and autocratic rule and other things were there. That is why the proper history, I don't know, fully available, and attempts by the people from their own experience, their own traditional things, their own family history, getting everything, and on that basis recording things at the present stage. And our MLA is also trying for that according to the information given by the local people. Anyway, that such attempt I will always appreciate. And history, according to me, is a flow of, just like a flow of water. So that will go. If people are not taking it, preserving it, it will lose forever. Some other books I have already started. That is Heritage Trees of Goa. I identified 21 trees, and this beautiful photographs and description may be there. So I am writing such a book. I will that book will be distributed throughout India, and so such types of environmental tourists be attracted, and the spiritual tourism also have more scope for Goa, because every the temple, church, that architects, that brilliance is very well seen there. So those things are nowadays interested in various parts of the world. In India also, from other side, people are more interested in environmental tourism.